Have you ever Googled side jobs to make extra money? Search no further. In this video, I'm reviewing the most common side gigs you can do from home, telling you which ones are a complete waste of time and which ones actually deliver. I'm Lauren Golden here with a new episode of Free Mama TV, showing moms like you how to start and run a successful freelancing business from home. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new episode of Free Mama TV right here every Tuesday. I see you. I see your Google searches. Why? Because not only have I been there before myself, but I have helped thousands of women walk away from the confusing yet tempting world of online spamming to make real money from home. So whether you want to bring in a few $100 or a few thousand by the end of this video, I'm confident you'll know the best side gig for you. The internet is a magical place. It's hard to imagine adulting without it. Not sure how long to boil an egg? Google it. Does your kid have a strange rash? Google it. Then go to the doctor. Search engines can truly help eliminate so many of our irking questions, but it can also sometimes steer us to dangerous places. Which brings me to side gig number one. Take surveys online. The pro about these online survey sites is they're so easy your dog could do it. The problem is that they're so easy your dog could do it. Downloading apps, filling out quizzes, sharing your shareable link, it's all the same thing. And your best case scenario is earning a few bucks for hours of screen time. Basically, if someone tells you that you can make a bunch of money online by literally only lifting one finger, they're lying to you. Bottom line with all of these, don't waste your time. Which brings me to side gig number two. Start a blog. There are thousands upon thousands of websites out there that will teach you how to start a blog. The barrier for entry is low, with domains costing less than a meal out and some platforms even offering hosting for free. If you've got a smartphone and a good connection, you could write a blog. The problem is that a lot of these build your own blog resources aren't taking the time to educate their readers on a few things. First, there has to be a business behind the blog, so to speak. That is to say, the blog itself is unlikely to make you any money ever, let alone anytime soon, from traffic and Google AdSense alone. Are you going to become an affiliate marketer and profit from sharing links to other people's products and services for a cut? Are you going to provide a service, online course, or digital product of your own? Where will your revenue come from? And then where will the traffic come from? Meaning, once you start writing the blog, how do you plan to get people to discover it? Are you willing to run advertising, guest posting? Are you going to focus on SEO or wait for an organic growth? Content creation is an amazing way to grow a business, especially if you already have an audience to send to your content. But content in and of itself is not a business. In a blogging survey from 2015, 81% of participants said they'd never made more than $100 total from blogging. On the other hand, 17% said they made enough to earn a living from their blog. Here's my verdict. Don't blog to blog with the expectation of a sustainable income. Instead, determine how you'll monetize it first and be realistic about what will be required of you to reach your financial goals. Speaking of side gigs with high highs and low lows, direct sales, also known as network marketing or multi-level marketing. By design, the business structure of a multi-level marketing company is that people sign up as independent contractors, not employees, to sell the company's product or services, and their earnings come from either a portion of those sales, wholesale, or a pyramid-shaped commission system. Thus, multi-level marketing, right? The amazing thing about MLMs is that anyone can get involved, sometimes for free and other times for a relatively small investment. Aspiring business owners don't have to come up with a product to sell. There are often tight-knit communities within this industry as well. The problem with MLMs is that their compensation structure is, by design, heavily reliant on the commission system, which would require recruiting or growing a team of others to also go out and sell the products or services of the parent company. Now, it probably comes as no surprise to you that network marketers have gotten a bad reputation in the online world as being salesy and aggressive. Unfortunately, a lot of people are lured in with pictures of trips and free cars and they love the products, but they don't understand the business model, leaving them desperate to try to recruit anyone and everyone on the internet. There's no doubt about it that MLMs produce millionaires, but the data also tells us that a whopping 99.71% of people industry-wide will lose money, most likely due to those pesky requirements to spend a certain amount on product each month or risk losing your status in the company. If you are considering signing up for an MLM, just make sure you understand the business model of network marketing and that you've educated yourself on the commission structure of your parent company. Which brings us to side gig number 4, affiliate marketing. Now, I referenced affiliate marketing back in our explanation of revenue streams for blogging, and you may or may not be familiar with the idea. Much like network marketing, you're actually marketing someone else's service or product. The difference is that you aren't actually selling it. Rather, you are sending people to the company or individual to buy it under a special tracking link, and then you receive a percentage of each sale. Affiliate marketing is fabulous for influencers or people with an audience or following already. In fact, a lot of your favorites on Instagram or even the mommy bloggers you follow are probably marketing products to you as an affiliate. There are 2 challenges with affiliate marketing, however. First, you don't have any control over the things you promote, similar to network marketing. The business sets the pricing, branding, and determines what they're selling and when. The other challenge is that if you don't have a pretty big following already of people who know, like, and trust you, it will be difficult to make good money as an affiliate unless you invest in advertising, which requires capital to start. Next, I'm going to tell you about my personal favorite way to make money from home, the way that allowed me to finally quit my 9-to-5. But first, I want to know, have you ever tried any of these side gigs before? How did it turn out for you? Tell me in the comments below. Okay, last but not least, my favorite side gig turned full-time job, freelancing. If you've never heard of freelancing before, it's kind of like a job, except you're not an employee. Basically, busy entrepreneurs and business owners outsource tasks that they either don't have time to do, don't want to do, or don't know how to do, and they pay you pretty darn well to do it for them. The amazing thing about freelancing is that you can provide just about any service that businesses would need to outsource. Anything from answering emails to scheduling appointments to building websites or managing social media. There are so many possibilities when it comes to freelancing, and unlike some of the other side gigs we mentioned, you get to keep your cash and control of your prices and services. The hardest part of freelancing is learning how to find clients and setting your pricing structure, both of which are concerns I address for you right here on this channel. There you have it, my review of 5 of the most popular side jobs to make extra money from home. If you're ready to start working from home as a freelancer, but you're not sure you have the skills, grab my free checklist and figure out exactly what you can get paid to do. The link to discover over 70 skills that business owners want to pay you for is below. Also, if you want to join a community of mamas just like you, I have a Facebook group where thousands of mamas come together for support and action-taking tips and motivation. And as always, if you liked this video, please let me know by liking it below, subscribe, and share it with your fellow mamas, and comment below with hashtag #IamAFreeMama if this video helped you find your next side gig. Can you close the door? We got multiple people in here to send to. I tell you what, that was probably way too fast. Okay, I think my hand. Something different. That was fun, right? Feels wrong.